Nicolae Minovici was a Romanian scientist who was obsessed with finding out what happens to the human body during a hanging. In fact, he wrote an essay in which he analyzed almost the 200 cases of the people who had been hanged and the factor that influenced such as the type of knot of the rope, the weight, and even the gender of the persons. Minovici was not happy with this just reading, but people who had been executed this way. He wanted to know how really felt, so and to answer the questions. He started a series of the quite strange experiment and above all the dangerous. First, they did some of the preliminary tests with the rope that did not contract. He hunted himself 6 times without Satan to get used it. But as Minovici himself wrote in his note, the pain was almost intolerable. Still, he was determined to experience what it felt like to be hanged, so he levels up. He and some of his collaborators pat his head in a regular contractions rope and asked an assistant to hang them 12 times in a row. When describing the previous experiment, Minovici repeatedly apologized, saying that despite all his courage, he could not endure this experiment for more than 3 or 4 seconds. Despite his effort, Minovici failed to find tangible results uh, from a series of hangings, which is a total number almost of dozens. The only of the tangible thing to find would have been that, I believe. That's is why I nominated Nicolas Minovici as his research as the strangest story of the experience in historical.